What is the role of dharma in our lives? What is dharma? How do you define dharma? And how did it come into being? How does it exist? How should we look at dharma in our day-to-day life, in our extended life?
See, if I have to give a literal meaning of the word dharma, I should say natural law of life. That's the
Natural law of
literal
life.
meaning.
Yes.
If I have to give my interpretation, in every level, an individual's dharma is, it's my interpretation. I wanted to keep these two separate. The Shastra's definition of dharma is natural law of life.
Natural law
That
of
is
life.
the literal meaning. If I have to apply that in our day-to-day life, in an individual level, the individual's dharma is understanding the self, world and God. That understanding is the first dharma. With this understanding, he starts making decisions in the world. How I should behave with people who are near to me. How I should behave with the people who are far away from me. How I should behave with people who have a conflict of interest. All these cognitions, decisions, he comes to based on what he thinks as himself and world and God. Jiva, Jagat, Ishvara. Understanding these three is a basic dharma of an individual. Then the dharma comes, means next level. What is our dharma towards the society? What is our dharma towards the larger country? What is our dharma to our own clan? For example, doctors. Doctors have dharma to the doctor's clan. Engineers have dharma to the engineer's clan. Lawyers have dharma to the lawyer's clan. Entrepreneurs have dharma to the entrepreneur's clan. All that comes next. But whole these questions, all these understandings of dharma and questions related to dharma can be answered by one formula. What is the idea I have about me? What is the idea I have about the world? What is the idea I have about God? Me, playing temporarily in the world, want to be permanently resting in God, is my dharma. For that, how I should behave with the world, how I should behave with me, how I should behave with God, should be the scale with which we measure at every moment how we should behave.